Dolphins, the poem Dolphins, obviously portrays the authority of humanity or human beings over other species, especially the meek and weak. We talk of slavery during the Elizabethan period or 17th or 18th century. Now it is not discarded from our humanity or the chapters of humanity. Actually, till now it is practiced, but not on human but on other animals. We make slaves of others, especially other elementals. In this particular poem, what we have found, the dolphins are made slaves by a master, and the dolphins perform several acts according to the instruction of the master. Now, another most important thing is that it seems the dolphins are apparently very happy when they play with the ball or they jump through those hoops, but actually the reality is very, very dark, brood and crude. The reality is that they suffer extreme. They want to go back to their homeland. Here we cannot say homeland, but to their habitat, natural habitat. That's the sea, the deep blue sea. They swim here, but the water is not that deep. They have sky, but in between sky they have the human faces. Further, they can swim, but they cannot swim long. So everything is available here, but to a very limited format, which is very hard. If we are given oxygen, but to very less amount, that will not be sufficient for us to sustain life. If we are given houses to live in, but if it is of the size of a small box, we can dwell in. Further, if we are given a road of the size of a veranda, we can work our heart out. So, unless we put ourselves in that particular position, we would hardly understand the problem they suffer, we can hardly sympathize their situation. So, we cannot discard all these things. World is beautiful, and more than that, we have to take care of this world. We alone cannot constitute the world. We have to hold each other's hand to go forward, to make the world perfect. One real life example we can think like this. If a beast, a leopard or a tiger enters a locality, what people do? People beat that beast to die. But one more thing you have to remember. We say this is our place, so they cannot enter. They have the jungle. But actually we are living in their jungle. We cleaned their jungle for cultivation. We made our settlement and we have thrown themselves out. So fact is that we are living in their zone and territory. They are not entering our area. We have already captured their area. But we beat them so that they can forget to enter the place anymore, and we beat them to die. So this is a striking poem that highlights the human follies and cruelty over others. Human follies and cruelty over others. Number 2, this poem reflects the sense of sympathy as well as morality. The dolphins feel sympathetic to each other's condition, and it is a kind of slap to the human selfishness. We are selfish, we often think about others, but look at the dolphins, they feel sympathetic and painful towards the pain of others. We have already completed 3 stanzas, and today this video will complete the annotation, paraphrasing and discussion of the poem. Next video will be a summarization and detailing of the poem. So, we will have 2 or 3 videos on this very topic. I wish that you will ask me doubt whenever necessary. Here you go. Moon has disappeared. We circle well on groups of water on a single note. Music of loss forever from the other's heart, which turns my own to stone. There is a plastic toy. There is no hope. We sink to the limits of this pool until the whistle blows. There is a man and our mind knows we will die here. So this is the last stanza of the poem. This video will only discuss this particular stanza. The upcoming videos will be related to the further things that we need. You can send your doubts. Those will be cleared in another video. The moon has disappeared. When they were in the sea or ocean, a different kind of sentiment worked in them. They used to circle around the reflection of the moon. During night, they used to enjoy to the fullest. When the reflection of the moon falls on the beautiful wavy waters, they used to circle around that particular waves. But that beauty of moon is no more there. Further, the enjoyment is totally fragmented. There is no beauty at all. Everything got disappeared. We circle well on groups. So nowadays they don't circle around the reflection of the moon. Instead, we circle well on groups of water on a single note. Now they all together move around to a single note, to a single music that is to be played by the master or the instructor. And they circle around, play around in group to that particular note. Music of loss forever from others' heart. More than the external music that was played there, there is a sense of loss. There is a feeling of melancholy everywhere. Music of loss forever from others' heart. Other stands for other dolphins, which turns my own to stone. Here own means own heart. Whatever the music was there was not that much powerful than the music that is produced inside the heart of all these dolphins. That is immensely melancholic, immensely powerful, and that could easily turn the heart of the speaker dolphin into stone. When you listen to those pain, because all suffer the same pain, immediately his heart gets totally broken, gets transformed into a heart of stone. There is a plastic toy. In this world of artificial entities, there is also one artificial thing in the pool, a plastic toy. We human beings are attached to artificial items, not the other living beings. So, according to our habit, what we have done, we have put in a plastic toy in that particular pool so that these dolphins can play around. There is no hope. There is no hope of what? There is no hope of freedom, of returning back to their natural habitats, the ocean and the sea. We sink to the limit of this pool until the whistle blows. They swim, they go deep inside that pool till the master blows the whistle. So, they perform each and every act according to the wish of their master. So, we can say their fundamental freedoms are long destroyed. There is no hope. We sink to the limit of this pool. We go deep into this pool, but we have to return as soon as the master blows the whistle. There is a man and our mind knows will die here. There is a man. This is a repetition almost in each stanza. There is a man means there is an instructor, but more than that, there is a torturer. There is a man who just destroys their freedom. And our mind knows will die here. And though they knew very well they would not survive here, they will surely die here. So, we have to be very sympathetic while dealing with this very poem. Their mind knows means they know deep inside very well that they cannot return, and they will die in this very deserted place. So this is no difference. There is no difference we can find in this particular stanza if you compare this one to remaining or the 3 stanzas we have studied before. Same, almost same. The tone is same. Tone is poignant. P-O-I-G-N-A-N-T, poignant. And the dolphins are still lamenting on the loss. They are still crying for their future, even dying for their present. So they have lost their moon, which they used to circle around when they were in the sea and ocean. Now they also circle around, they also play around along with the artificial music. Further, the cry of the fellow dolphins made the speaker dolphin a stone-hearted one. The feelings got destroyed fully. So in the next video, we will discuss the summary of the entire poem. Thank you.